Hey guys, what's up? It's Max and it's my friend. That's my friend Eli. Okay, shut up. This is my friend Eli, and I just had you won't believe how
massive
much
explosion on the toilet.
Shut up. This is a lot of snow. I got a lot of snow. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh my God! Look at all that snow. My dad kind of pulled it off, and there's lots on the house. There's look
in the snow.
Yeah, obviously, cause you clumsy little boy. And then
Cold.
here's a lot.
There's a lot on my pants too.
Yeah, there's a lot in my boots, which is super uncomfortable. And I don't have any socks on, so that's great.
I do.
10 likes for part 2 of what happens in the blizzard.
Arfie.
Peace. Subscribe on the road to 200. Peace.